This is the range of the solid waste of the city, which was carried out by construction company Java with the order of City Hall of Tbilisi. The range provides secure storage and conservation of everyday waste existed on the territory of the city. The cost of construction work of range amounted to 11,285,000 Georgian lari. The release of the city from everyday waste includes several processes. These are gathering of this everyday waste, which is existed on this territory, and its loading in the trash holding machines, concentration in the trash loading center and carrying the waste on the range, existing outside the city. During 1 year, Ltd Java built the trash loading center corresponding to European standards on Beliashvili Street in Tbilisi. The cost of project is 3 million Georgian lari. The center consists of 7 buildings having a different destination. These are 2 administration buildings from where there is realized control and managing of cleaning system per buy of computer program. Repair shop, where is repair and upgrade of damaged equipment. Restarting station, where is loading the everyday waste imported from the city in the bulk tipper machines. Warehouse building, which includes spare parts and necessary equipment of automobiles. Technical salt storage shed. Laundry building of techniques, where is realized disinfection and cleaning of the garbage trucks entered in the center. Everyday waste carried in the tipper machine from garbage collecting chamber center is transported on the range, existed on the territory of village Norio. Company Ltd Java carried out the construction project of range of everyday waste of Tbilisi at 11,285,000 Georgian lari in 2010. Range includes 83 hectares and consists of 2 basic sections. This is Logistics Office Zone and the area designated for conservation of waste. The area of waste of conservation is divided into several cells. The cell presents the cave, which bottom is covered with protective layer. Among them is high-density plastic tape or geomembrane, also inert material of different function, that protect the ground from leakage of toxic substances. There is arranged the drainage system in this layer, which collects liquid, contaminated masses, and concentrates it in the pond of waste water. There is arranged the collecting chamber wells similar of gabion on the top of the protective layer, from where is realizing the gathering and separation of gas arising from rotting of waste. Logistics Office Zone consists of the following parts. These are administration building, check, wait, repair, and storage areas, radiation detector, fuel station, transformer and generator unit, washing and disinfection square, treatment facilities of fecal waste water or biotel, surface water collecting chamber tank with its fire pump station, collecting pond of waste water in cells with a well of circulating pump, treatment facilities of closed type, from which one is placed near the car washing territory and the other near the agricultural territory. Water existed from the treatment facilities leaves the territory through the collector. Range on the whole perimeter is bordered by the metal fence. There is permanent electricity and lighting. Internal roads of the territory are well paved. Security is realized with a video control, and the information about process of object is supplied to the headquarters through the transmission system. The automobile loaded with everyday waste passes the radiation control at the time of entering on the territory of range. The checked automobile and load is weighed on the scales. Also, there occurs identification of the car and the driver. The process is controlled through the web camera. System of weighing the load, web camera and driver's identification is developed by Ltd Java. Controlled and weighed automobile passes on the cell, where it is discharged and there is conservation. The discharged automobile enters on the washing square, where occurs its cleaning and disinfection. At last it passes a re-weight. The weighed and cleaned automobile leaves the territory of range. Trash spread on the territory of cell is broken up into 0.5 meter thick layer through the bulldozer and loader and is rammed through the 38 tons special vehicle of Finnish firm Tana. The trash, which is banked in the process of working, becomes wet with the liquid of pond collecting the waste water. When height of rammed waste achieves 2 meters, waste layer is covered with 30 cm thick rammed isolated clay ground. On the 2.5 meter thick layer of waste and soil is added the second layer arranged with the same system. This process continues while the common height of waste layers reaches 25 meters. Then all this is covered with isolated surface containing special geomembrane, and then there is recultivation of surface. There are temporary gravelled roads for providing the movement of the garbage trucks on the territory of cell. Gathering the burnt gas arising from rotting the waste occurs through the mine similar of the gabion. Gathered gas will come from the territory of cell for the further utilization. Ltd Java will build not only the range of everyday waste, but it itself leads and provides its exploitation for the distinct time. It is also able to realize management and organization of all above-mentioned cycle of utilization of waste. Also, in case of necessity, it provides training of the appropriate technical staff. Besides this, Ltd Java realizes construction and repair works of various types. It provided restoration of lower main canal of Samgori. There was conducted rehabilitation of depreciated cover of concrete through the torqued concrete layer. Ltd Java has conducted the works of similar type on the retaining wall of concrete of diversion channel of Zahesi and customs checkpoint of Sarpi. In the profile of Ltd Java comes performance of civil construction works. Security, video control with a high of quality of transmission system and modern technologies, and also design and installation of system of air and fiber optic telecommunications.